Children, in my previous class I have started lesson 2. Today, let me recapitulate some of the points which is related to this lesson. So we are aware of part of the plant, right? In that I explain you about sowing, like a direct method as well as indirect method. Indirect method is also called as transplantation. Then I explain you about grafting. So today now we are going to talk on this. We are going to discuss on this. All crops do not grow in all type of land. All crops do not grow in all type of land. India is very large country. Yes, it is true. India is very large country. It has different climates and different places. On hilly station, we find very tall trees. On hill stations, we find very tall trees. These trees bear green leaves throughout the year. Deserts have sandy, oil and thorny plants. Common desert plants are cactus and prickly pears. So here India is very large country, in that different type of climates will be there. So on hill station we find very tall trees. Hill station we can find very tall trees. These trees bear green leaves throughout the year. Some areas near the sea are marshy and the soil is clay. Clay soil have very little air to supply for plants. Very few plants with special type of roots can grow in these areas. Again, I just want to focus on this point. Very few plants with special type of roots can grow in these areas. You can see clearly cactus. This comes under cactus, children. This is called as cactus plant. Activity part, you can see clearly what it mentioned here. You can select some of the seeds which you like and draw something with that, or else make a frame with that seeds. Mosses, lichens and fungi do not have flowers, so they cannot make seeds. They produce spores which are very small. They produce what? What they produce here? They produce spores which are very small, simple structure. They don't have a store of food. They don't have a store of food. It is a form of what? This all comes under Moses Lynch fungi. If a spore lands in a suitable place, listen, if a spore lands in a suitable place, it may grow into a new plant. Got it, children? If it is getting a place, then it will grow a new plant. But no seeds, no flowers. Children, whatever words I underline here, that will be your HW in your CWs. You should write one time, enough. But before starting writing, read it once. This will be your HW. Reading important. Reading is very important. I am giving you very less work for writing, because you should improve your reading as well as handwriting. Come and collect the worksheet from school and work on that. Submit your worksheet for correction.